Okay, here's where we're going to walk you through setting up call recording of all calls and having them transcribed into a document. So I would go to the ESNA UC Client Software and I would go into Settings. Under Settings, in the Call Manager tab, you can click on Record All Incoming Calls. Now this will record every call that comes to the user's desktop. So as soon as they pick up, it'll start logging and recording the call. Once it's recorded, it'll be tagged, uplifted for transcription, and then deposited in voicemail with the original file and the converted text that can be copied and pasted into a document. So let's look at that. So call would come in, I would accept it. Hello.
Lee Hutchins is calling.
David Petronella.
To accept, press 1.
So now I've accepted the call. Leah is on the call with me.
Hi, David.
Hi, and you'll notice here it's showing me that it automatically is recording the call. So we're going to have a conversation, Leah. What can I do for you?
I'm just calling to let you know I'm working on your price list and I should have it over to you shortly.
Okay, so we're going to have an interactive dialogue, and I'm going to say, thank you, Leah. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you tomorrow. And Leah will say, Leah will say,
take care, David. Bye.
Bye. We will talk to you later. We'll hang up. That call is finished, and now it will be recorded and transcribed. And now you'll see in my email I have a message from Leah Hodges, which is a recorded conversation. And you'll see here it's now transcribed, speaker 1. So now I have accepted the call. Leah's on the call with me. Hi, David. You've noticed me. I'm recording the call. So it actually completely transcribed our conversation, and I have the original file. So if I wanted to play it, if there were errors. So now I've accepted the call. Leah is on the call with me.
Hi, David.
Hi, and you'll notice here it's showing me that it automatically is recording the call. So we're going to have a conversation, Leah. What can I do for you?
I'm just calling to let you know I'm working on your price list and I should have it over to you shortly.
Okay, so we're going to have an interactive dialogue, and I'm going to say, thank you, Leah. I appreciate it. I'll talk to you tomorrow. And Leah will say,
take care, David. Bye.
Bye. We'll talk to you later. We'll hang up. So there you have it. Easy way to record, so you can set up users, or the administrator could define users already pre-configured, record the call, automatically ended up converted to text with this, and I could forward this off to anyone. You'll see here I could translate the message, forward it, print it, so I have a full transcript of that conversation. So this would be a great way, or a great little application that is part of or an embedded piece of the ESNA SIP application server. Now what you'll notice is right after I get that message fully transcribed with the actual original recording, so if I wanted to, I could listen to this and edit it. At this point, if I'm integrated with ESNA's UC into Google Apps, the value here is I just have a one-click button that says Create Document, and it's automatically going to create a Google Doc with that transcription already labeled in the document. So you'll see here, and the great thing about this is it's fully hosted. It'll work in anywhere on any OS, so I'm actually working on a Mac, and I've automatically created a document out of that conversation I had with Leah. So now that I have this as a file, I have options to save the file, and that would save that in Google Docs, or I could, as anyone using Google Docs knows, I can download this into any format I want. And then I could share this with other people, archive it, save it within my Office network. If I'm using Google Apps, just post it as a document. So I've got full auto record of conversations. Those conversations are recorded, transcribed, and then created automatically into a document. As simple as I want it to be. And then again, if I go PDF, it will now automatically, and you'll see that it just converted that into an actual secure PDF document that I can open, and there it is, a PDF document of that conversation.